Meet Felix, the adorable kitten with an insatiable appetite. But Felix's love for food led him to a dark place. He ate his own brothers. Now Felix is lonely and consumed by guilt. Felix, you need to go on a diet. You're getting too big to move. Felix's size made life difficult. One day a bobcat attacked and ate Felix. But then a jaguar came along and devoured the bobcat. In the end, Felix found peace as a ghost, riding in his mom's jaguar. Sometimes, peace comes in unexpected ways. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please support our channel by subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing. Please remember to always be kind to animals.